Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by combining the key ingredients so the chemistry works: milk, sugar, starch, and 1 egg yolk. Heat 2 cups of milk until small bubbles form at the edge. Do not boil, this prevents curdling. Meanwhile, whisk 1/3 cup sugar, 3 tablespoons cornstarch, and a pinch of salt until smooth. This creates the thickening slurry. Once the milk is warm, slowly pour a few tablespoons into the dry mix to loosen it, then whisk thoroughly to avoid lumps. Now continue by cooking the combined mixture so it thickens properly. Return the whisked slurry into the warm milk gradually, stirring constantly to distribute heat and prevent clumps. Once it thickens, increase heat slightly and boil gently for 30 to 60 seconds. This is crucial to fully activate the cornstarch and remove any raw taste. Make sure to stir the bottom and sides. Sticking causes burning. Then remove from heat and immediately stir in your flavor. 1 teaspoon vanilla or 2 tablespoons cocoa for chocolate pudding. Finish by straining the hot pudding into a clean bowl and laying plastic wrap directly on the surface. This prevents a skin. Chill for at least 2 hours. Cooling allows the structure to set, producing a smooth, spoonable texture. If the pudding turns grainy, rewarm it gently over low heat with 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk, whisking vigorously to reincorporate moisture and dissolve any coagulated bits. If it's too thin, simmer briefly while whisking until desired thickness, then cool again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.